Hello YouTube. I'm doing a kind of a mini bench cleaning video. I gotta take this off my floor. I put it down there and shit's getting in the way, so I gotta tie this thing up. I got a few things I gotta remove on here because I've been doing multiple things at once here, and after a while the bench becomes a clusterfuck of things. So I keep telling myself, not gonna swear. Make this less of a whatever. But anyway, sorry about the foul language there. That'll put back after. This goes on the bottom. Damn train's wrecking my video. Yeah. So I need these rivets. The bucking bar I need. This is extra junk. This is my little anvil I used. What I'm doing today is I'm going to attempt to cut the blades out for the, what do you call it, the Freddy Krueger gloves. And also I want to make a screwdriver rack for down here. I'm going to cut, since I have some new pipes, I'm going to cut some round pipe and I'm going to make a screwdriver rack on an angle so I can just put, just screwdrivers I use a lot, because there's certain things you use on a workbench you use all the time, and so that's one. Like, I don't need this shit. This shit's no good. That's no good. I gotta bring my, as soon as my dumpster is empty this week, I'm gonna refill my, not refill, but I'm gonna empty my dumpster, my garbage here, because it needs to be emptied. I got all kinds of shit. What are these bolts for? There's a pile of bolts here. I don't know what the hell they're for. I think they're just random bolts. I gotta put them somewhere else because I have a feeling I took apart something and I don't know what the hell they're from. Because I forgot. Oh, they might be for the, oh no, maybe they're just random bolts. Are they for this damn thing? I don't know, maybe. I don't think so. Nopezies. Okay, this can go somewhere else. So anyway, back to regular scheduled crap here. Let's see. This is the garage gum. I have too much gum here. There's my glue. The glue that holds this all together. Which is the most empty here. It's pretty empty. What's this one? Watermelon. I gotta find I think I'm gonna make a gum holder next. Make a holder for some garage chewables. Chewy from the garage. Yeah. Put this back. And. It's funny, I have a million wrenches. Most of them are snap-on, but do I look like a owner of a million snap-on wrenches? Not really. But this week I'm going to tackle the floor. Alright, let's measure this crap. The blade is about 7.5. It needs to be at least an inch wide to start with. So anyway, I'm going to stop it here. This is these I got to put back. That's got to go somewhere else. This has got to go down here. That's the other thing I need to do. I need to take the hammer rack that I have here. Because what I did is, I'll probably take a picture and show you and add it into the video. I made a little rack with little loops, put hammers in, but now it's full. So, and I got clamps, so I'm thinking, what do you call it? On this side of the bench, on this side, I'm going to put vice grips. On this side, I'm going to put a hammer rack with a screwdriver. Just about an insert for about 10 screwdrivers. And on this side, I'm going to put all the clamps, because something's got to give here. Or on the back, and the back side already has a row for grinders, but I'm like thinking maybe the grinder rack should go on the wall now or something. Things getting old and shit in here. So now, let me stop this here and I'll start again.